Summer 2026. Prepare for relocation. How to protect and pack furniture. How to protect and pack furniture during a hot summer move. How can you prevent the brutal South Florida summer heat and extreme humidity from warping, melting, or damaging your high-value furniture during your 2026 relocation? Let us be completely real with you. Proper preparation and securing the ultimate summer packing tips is your only true shield against the chaotic summer elements. Deploying Humidity-Shield packing materials. To guarantee the safety of your inventory, you absolutely need elite South Florida packing services. At Best Miami Movers, we eliminate these disastrous seasonal risks by utilizing specialized Humidity-Shield packing materials. These advanced, breathable wrapping solutions allow your items to ventilate properly while aggressively blocking out the heavy Florida moisture. Climate-controlled moving storage for absolute protection. Unpredictable summer lease gaps are a massive headache for renters and buyers alike. Leaving your items sitting in a baking hot steel truck is a massive red flag. Our highly secure, climate-controlled moving storage facilities solve this logistics nightmare entirely. Your inventory stays at a cool, carefully regulated temperature, bridging the transition safely and giving you complete peace of mind. Your upcoming transition definitely does not have to be a sweaty, stressful, and chaotic nightmare. A comprehensive, heat-resilient summer packing playbook is your golden ticket to a flawless move. By directly leveraging the specialized Humidity-Shield wrapping and climate-controlled logistics of Best Miami Movers, you mathematically guarantee the safe, stress-free transport of your furniture. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website, bestpricemovingquotes.com.